this plane inside. So we arrive.
Alright, so we arrived
To the very special place, I have to say, quite impressive.
Yes.
We will show you guys, I promise, but first I will show you the breakfast.
Yeah, so we will have a breakfast first. So we order the egg benedict. Look at this one. And coffee.
And my video is uploading. Fast internet.
Selamat go.
So as you can see, I just showed you the few snaps of the place where we are now. Winnie is here, still enjoying her breakfast. As you can see, this place is quite impressive. Well, nobody is here at the moment, however, they have a plane inside the building. Could you imagine? This is from the World War. This is a real plane. A lot of space. The place is super huge. This is just the entrance to the place. Actually, we will have a tour around the place. It's big and impressive on the 2 hectares of land. Could you imagine that? This is downtown of Ubud. A lot of construction still ongoing on, as you can hear the sound, and also over there is the construction. Oh, so bright. What's happened? Yeah, is the construction everywhere. However, the place is just cool. We'll show you now, guys, around. The place is designed as this is huge co-working space, also villas, apartments, huge swimming pool, a lot of things. Also the offices are upstairs, loads of space, beautiful rice fields everywhere, because this is downtown of Ubud. It's actually quite far from the main road. Well, I don't know what should I say, it's just impressive. This plane inside. It's cool, right? We will show you around the place. It's quiet, so it's actually good to show you now. So as you can see, they have even the bakery over here, with the lovely cakes and lovely chef girl.
Yeah.
Especially down this window so people can look how it's like ongoing.
So as you can see, they make the bakery over here, the cakes, and I will show you quickly. The cakes are here. These yummy cakes, super cool, and you can see how they making it. Doors, you can feel very done with the sponge, so it will be quiet, and you need to order a place in advance because you're gonna expect them to feel that. Check this out, this Japanese style will be the restaurant, but check out the statues.
They have so many fancy stuff here.
It's not finished yet, but already looks quite impressive, right?
Oh, look at this. With the vase. That is few.
And look at this chandeliers. Chandeliers.
Oh, beautiful.
That is
There'll be not many tables here.
not many tables.
Yeah, and this is sitting area like a Japanese like there on the wood. So
Ooh, they even have a fancy motorbike inside. Jesus Christ. Ooh. And there's the restaurant and the chef.
Basically, we finished video when I was in the private Japanese restaurant and uploading the video after breakfast. Now we saw the full property. It's huge. It's really huge. It's 2 hectare land. It's a multi-million construction. This is the lobby of the place. As you can see, many fancy cafe bikes, some coaches, huge stairs. And that's only the lobby. And now the rest of the video will be the tour with the comments, how it looks the place. And it's really impressive. If you are interested about the properties in Bali, about the places to stay, to live with the fast internet and modern style, this is video for you. It's quite impressive. Guys, that's what you saw. That was only the main building, main kind of lobby. Now I will show you the more about the work. That was the public workspace actually, access to everyone. Now we're gonna go up and showing more, and the more places they are still under construction. It's mostly finished, some are still under construction. By the way, beautiful paintings. That will be the premium only for people who living here, because there's so many villas and apartments here, proper apartments to rent. All is already taken, but however will be more in the future. So if you are interested, yeah, as you can see, it's quite impressive, right? Great, really great. They have a very beautiful style, a lot of very nice paintings. Well, this place is quite impressive and quite big. As you can see, this is the place, how they have a tailor room. Look how many carpets and paintings gonna be. It's impressive, right? And that over here will be the open area. I will show you, but first I wanna show you the working space, co-working space, when you're gonna have a membership, and also recording studios, the proper recording studios. This place is perfect for any kind of video makers, influencers, entrepreneurs, and everyone like this. This is heaven. Okay, now we'll make a tour. And all over here, they are recording studios. Okay, this one with the view of the rice fields, very bright place. But here will be the soundproof place. Where is the light? No light yet. That will be the soundproof place to recording whatever you do, kind of studio, right? And over here they are all places about the recording studios. By the way, look at these paintings. Bigger, smaller studios, whatever you need. It's already finished, and it's still, some places are still under construction. Over here will be already just for the members. This is already second floor, co-working studio. Here also meeting room, circle one. Interesting. I know what you mean.
Beautiful.
So this gonna stay
So they still
for the villas, apartments, something like in Eden, right?
Yeah, yeah.
This area will be
Villas.
stay or will be villas?
Villas. Starting somewhere from there, but it's marked. Villas.
Oh my god, so beautiful. And they also have kindergarten down there. Oh my gosh.
you can see now I'm outside. Behind this door, well, there's the glass wall, is everything what I showed you before. The co-working space, cafe, restaurant, some kind of gallery, offices. Now, over here is the outside area. These beautiful palm trees, they are imported from Java. They are not from Bali. And here will be the bar. Over here, behind me will be the beach, mini beach club. You can play volleyball also, and huge pool and the alley. And now I will show you the apartments who are gonna be ready just next week in this building. Everything on the bottom floor is already taken, and on the floor, top floor, second floor, there will be the new apartments. Now I'm in the part of the building where will be 12 newest apartments ready next week. They are already rented actually, which is quite interesting. Let's go to inside. I will show you the one who is almost ready. It's not ready 100% yet, but will be ready in next few days. And check this out. By the way, this view I will show you. So that's how it looks, the loft. This is loft apartment. Check this out. That will be the bed with the beautiful view of the rice fields, and this is green area. This land will be always like that. Nobody can buy it. With the huge window, open window. As you can see, super cool. Paintings, nice chandelier. That will be the small kitchen over here. This is lofty style. Something tropical, kinda tropical apartment style. That style is mostly in Bali only. Here will be induction plate, you can cook. That will be very small kitchen, but anyway, a lot of restaurants around, so no need. Toilet. Here will be the bathroom, shower, huge mirror. It's not ready yet, but it's gonna be like this. Super cool and super impressive, right? Also, probably you will think, how much is it? Of course, I ask. Loft like this, apartment like this, in the current condition, current situation, it's cost around $700 per month. When everything gonna back to normal in the future, it's gonna be about $1,300 $1,300. Depends of the size, depends of the villa, because this is the loft. Downstairs are villas, like 2-floor, many other options, and I will show you more now. But anyway, that's. Well, that's super impressive, super cool, and check this out. Also, I'm very lucky as I can show you guys everything, completely everything. Yeah, cool, right? Yeah, another extra apartment. Will be couch, bed, beautiful view, toilet, bathroom. That's the very modern style of the tropical apartments in Bali. This place is in downtown of Ubud, about 2.5 kilometers from the Ubud Center, Ubud Art Market, Ubud Market, about 2.5 kilometers up to 3 kilometers, I'm not sure exactly 100%. It's still under developing, however, like I said, all of this 12 downstairs and 12 upstairs is already taken. They have a very strong community, and it's, by the way, multi-million-dollar investigation. But that's unbelievable in this during crazy times. They still keep pushing, keep running. That's amazing.
You see how beautiful this place. We are still building it.
As you can see behind me, super long, huge pool, unbelievable. There is the main building, lobby, working space, public, recording studios, cafe, shop, restaurant, bar. Here in this building there are apartments and villas. Bottom one are villas, top one are apartments, loft apartments. And now behind me over here, it will be the place where is the spa, gym, jacuzzi, yoga studios, some kind of different activities in generally. Everything, but literally everything is in the one place. So if you are kind of influencer, entrepreneur, you are digital nomad, let's say, this place is just extremely perfect for you. And it's also, I forgot to tell you, they have a special room for kids, like a special like kindergarten kind of playground with the special care people of that. So whenever you are busy, you can leave it in the playground if you have a small kids, and you don't need to go completely anywhere. And it's so cool and it's so quiet, so peaceful. However, as the person who showed me this place, he said as the capacity of total people in this same place, it can be around 1,000 people. This stuff is also imported from Java. Very nice. It's quite impressive. And here will be the swingle bar, something like that. Bar coming from the roof. Over here is still messy, still under construction, but this place will be for yoga studio, and somewhere also in this area will be the rooms for the single person, like a single bed, small rooms for very affordable price. I'm not sure where, however, somewhere there and there. This is gonna be yoga studios, saunas and stuff like this. However, it's still in the kind of early stage of development, so it's not finished yet.
So they're still building some parts, and this is for the gym. Oh my god.
Very shortly I showed you how it looks construction over here. Many places are still under the development. These villas over here upstairs, they will be rented, and I showed you how it looks almost. Downstairs they are all rented, and I have no rights to go inside. Well, I don't, if I will rent this normal thing, I don't want anyone to come there. Over here is the pool, and over here will be another villas with the amazing rice field view from the opposite way, of course. By the way, these palm trees are also quite impressive. Generally, this place is really super impressive. Yeah, if you are, I don't know what should I say. I'm quite amazed. And like I said before, this is multi-million construction. So everywhere around, like in Sano, where is the guest house and everything, it can be empty. But when you have money, and a lot of people still have money, and also like the guy said, they have an extremely strong community of people who they already rent this up front, even it's not finished yet, but the small guest house are empty. So that shortly mean as people who stay, they have money, right? Not all of them, many of them, they don't have other one, they have it. However, back to the place, it's really impressive. It's still not possible to find this on Google Map. However, like I said, it's on the downtown of Ubud. If you will be interesting potential, and over there will be another villas. If you're potentially interested about this place, just comment below. I will give you the details and contact number to the management. However, you have to be in Bali, right? But in the future, if you would like to have, by the way, they have a super speed internet. When I make a test, the download is 192 megabytes per second, and upload is between 50 and 100, which is incredible fast for Bali area. I know a lot about internet because I'm struggling with uploading videos. Yeah, but however, I cannot come in here every day because it's just too far where I live. About 1 hour. Oh, stones. Anyway, that will be the bar over here. Here will be this is the sand in Ubud from Sanur or Nusa Dua. Amazing place. Hope so you enjoyed, guys. Right guys, as you can see, this property is quite impressive. And even if some small businesses are closed or some is bankruptcy, others big businesses are there still under construction and growing. Some people have still a lot of money in Bali. That's never to invest and also some to stay also in these places. So if you are interested more about this property or maybe other properties in Bali during this time, comment below. We are very happy to show you. I like properties.
So this place is super cool. I wish that maybe we could think to move here for a while to Ubud, but I know that if we move to Ubud, will be quite long way to the office.
Your office will have to move also here, I think.
As Damian showed you, this complex area, this properties is like complete for you guys if you want to work here, and with the internet, the speed of internet is super fast.
Also, I forgot to mention, I told you, but I make a mistake. It's owned by the group of German, American, Malaysian architect and Ukrainian group of people. So it's quite impressive. It's 2 hectare land. It's huge.
And then all is here. I can say all
Everything.
is here. What you need is here.
This is like a complex, closed complex. If you move here, you don't need to go out anymore. You have everything over here. Okay. If you have more questions, comment below. And I think that will be enough for today's vlog.
So I think that's all in Ubud, actually exploring new things, exploring new properties. And then thank you guys that you already watching our videos, and then we try our best to give you as much as new information in Bali and the updating one. And then thank you guys that you already watch us, and like always, please share and help us to develop our channel.
Comment, like, and like always, new vlog every single day at 7 p.m. Bali time. Don't forget to subscribe so you will get notification. Take care guys. See ya.
Bye.